Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello and hi everyone. My name is Muhammad Haikal Imran bin Tokimin and this is my team.
My name is Muhammad Faizafi bin Muhammad Amir.
My name is Benedict Thomas.
And we are students from BIS Mechatronic College placed in Shah Alam. Okay, so for today, as we all can see, right in front of me, we have our mini project that we call Security Sensor Alarm System, which is we apply with an IoT system. Home security is one of the most important aspects for daily life. So in our project, we focus on easy building at low cost, effective security alarm using ESP32. The system also can detect any intrusion and provide both physical alarm, instant notification to the smartphone user because we integrated with IoT technology. Dah. So now, the component that we use for this mini project is, first of all, we have ESP32 for the main controller and also for IoT connection. And then we have LDR for the sensor detect light and laser pointer with a mirror reflection. And we have buzzer as the alarm and LED as a visual indicator. And lastly, we have resistor for the current control and circuit stability. Okay, so guys, our system working on the principle of the light interruption. So, the laser is pointed to the LDR sensor. So, when the light is stable, the system in the safe mode. But if someone pass by the laser or block the laser, the system, the light is cut off, so the buzzer will sound. Okay guys, so our system is working based on the principle of light interruption. So first of all, a laser is pointed to the LDR sensor. So when the light is stable and nobody pass by the laser, the system is in the safe mode. But if someone pass by the laser or block the laser, the system will send us notification or alarm. And also ESP32 will detect this change and activate the buzzer or LED. And then it will send a notification through the apps or smartphone by Blink or MQTT. So as you guys can see, you guys will get a lot of benefit based on our project, such as providing a low cost security alarm system and easy to install or maintain. So guys, based on those benefits, our contribution makes home security more accessible to people who get limited budget.
Laser Security Alarm System. This project is specially designed to improve security in a simple and more available way. The main reason is to prevent thief or intrusion. When the laser beam is blocked, the system will activate the buzzer, the LED will start blinking, and the owner will receive a notification on their phone. Besides that, the cost is much lower compared to commercial technology. Besides that, the cost is much lower compared to commercial system, but Besides that, the cost is much lower compared to commercial system, but it is still effective. The laser and LDR sensor technology is very sensitive and can easily, and the laser